Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the Zowill digital fingerprint smart lock. This one features lock, unlock using a passcode, eKey. You can use Alexa voice too. The key, fingerprint, cards, passcode, and an app, I believe. So lots of ways to unlock this. Super convenient, especially if you have like a Airbnb or something like that, where you would just be able to change your passcode if you want to let people in or out, or just the convenience of not having to dig in your pocket for a key all the time to unlock your door. So top we have nice instruction manual here, and then let's see here, I'm gonna have to put this down. Be doing the install for you guys on this as well. So this is going to be the outside of the device. Nice solid metal there. We got our key pass or our fingerprint code here, key there, and other devices right here. All right. And this is going to be the inside of the lock there. It has 4 AA battery slots there, and then you can manually lock or unlock your bolt with that. Okay, this is what I was talking about. These come with these little pass or swipe code things. You can give these to people if you want to get access to your house. They just tap it on there and it unlocks your door too. Pretty sweet. And then finally we have these ones here. So it has traditional looking keys. A lot of the other ones, smart locks, they have really weird looking keys, which is fine. Here we have a striker plate, some other options. Here is our bolt, nice heavy duty there. And then some installation screws and whatnot. So these are super easy to install, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Next. Okay. And there we have it. Found that one real quick. And I might need to hit the reset button. Hold on. All right. Please assign a name for it. Front door. Okay. Select your door opening direction. So if we're outside, I don't know why this is necessary. It opens to the right. Okay, interesting. Okay, so we have all these things here, guys. Authorized admin, eKeys, passcodes, cards, fingerprints, settings, records, everything on there. It shows a battery indicator for the life. Touch this to unlock or lock. There we go. And unlocking. Oh, touch to unlock, hold the lock. Just touch it to unlock it. That's cool. All right, so now we need to set up authorize administrator, create admin, and I'll do that real quick. Actually, I am the administrator because I'm the first one that registered on here. So we can set up a fingerprint, go to fingerprints, and add a fingerprint. Next. Okay, it's going to say you'll be required to just place your finger on the sensor several times. All right, so I'm going to just put my thumb on the top here. It says start. Okay, put it on there once, and I'm just putting it at different angles on there. And there we go. Successfully added me. And then we have the RF cards. I'll add those real quick as well. So just hit add card and enter name. Me, okay. And then swipe the card, connecting with the lock. And good to go. And we can add another card. And it's going to keep track of everyone who uses these cards and everything. So put that on the front of there. And now that's connected too. So any passcode we want, I can add a passcode. You can randomly generate one, or we can just put one in. I'll put generate passcode. Swipe to explore additional passwords. Got it. Name. Me. And I want to do a custom password, permanent. Actually me, and then I'll put in my Okay, so now I can just put in my passcode too if I need to open this. If it's locked, just lock it, and then I can put in my passcode. And there we go, works perfectly. So we got fingerprints, RF cards, eKeys. You could send someone an eKey and do one-time reoccurring or whatever, and they can eKeys for unlimited times with the validity period. You can do permanent, one-time, reoccurring. So all sorts of different things here to send people an eKey. And then I believe I'll try something else too.